Good morning, all my dear students of class 2A and B. So, today I'm here to start a new lesson in your English 2. So, today we are going to start this chapter number 9. Who will bell the cat? Okay, that chapter's name is Who Will Bell the Cat? Page number 64. Okay, so let's get started with the chapter. So, before getting started, tell me, are you afraid of anybody or anything? Are you scared, afraid of something? Everybody must be having that one thing that you must be afraid of or scared of, right? So why are you scared of those things? You think over it. Okay? So now let's get started with the chapter. So let's start the chapter now. Long, long ago in a big house lived many mice. Why it is written mice? Because there lived many. Mouse is one and mice means plural. Okay, mice is the plural form of mouse. If there is only one, then we will call it mouse, and if there is more than one, then we call it mice. Okay, so there was many. Okay, that's why it's written mice. Long, long ago in a big house lived many mice. They lived in kitchen, they lived in drawing room, they lived in bedroom, they ran about the whole house. So long, long ago in some house, in a big house, okay, there lived many mice. There lived many mice. They lived in drawing room, they lived in kitchen, they lived in bedroom, and they ran about all the house also. So there were many mice. So some lived in drawing room, some lived in kitchen, some lived in bedroom, and they were all running around in the house all the time. Okay, so in the same house lived a big fat cat. She was always chasing them. So you might have seen this cartoon also, right? Tom and Jerry. This cat and mice, they are never friends. Cat always chases the mouse. So in the same way, in this house also, there lived a big fat cat. There was a fat cat. Okay, so there was and she was always chasing them. Always she was after them. Chasing means to run after someone. Okay, to be after someone. Chasing means to be after someone. Okay, this cat was always after this mice. She was always chasing them whenever she sees them running here and there in the house. So this cat, she chases them all the time. Okay, so let's move on to the next page. The mice were scared of her. Even the babies would run back into the holes when they saw her coming. So all these mice, they were really scared of the cat, because scared means to be afraid of the cat. Because if the cat finds them, then she would definitely eat them up. So they were very much scared of the cat. So even the small babies also, they had small babies also. So even the babies were also scared of the cat, because and they would always run back to the hole whenever they see or they hear or see the cat coming. So one day all mice got together. They said, how do we stop the cat? She's always chasing us. So one day all these mice, they got together. Why? To find a solution how to be safe from the cat. So one day they all got together and they were talking to each other, saying that they said, how do we get rid of the cat? How do we stop the cat? She is always chasing us. So how can we stop? Let's find some solution to get to stop this cat being after us. So let's all decide, let's all find some solution for that, so that we'll be safe from the cat. Some said this and some said that. They were continuously discussing. Someone was saying something, other one was saying other thing. So everyone was having their own opinion, but no one could find anything or think anything. But they were out of any solution. Nobody came up with any idea that how to get rid of the cat. So they were really thinking how to get rid of the cat. They were thinking and thinking, but they were all discussing. They came together for the meeting, but also they could not find any solution how to get rid of the cat, like how to be safe from the cat. Okay? So when they were trying to find out solution how to get, like how to be safe from the cat, suddenly at last a little mouse got up and said, so a little mouse suddenly got up and said, she walks softly, we never hear her come, let us hang a small bell around her neck, when she walks it will ring, so we can run away when she comes close. So a little mouse suddenly came up with the idea saying that this cat, she walks very softly. We do not hear her come. She walks very softly that we do not hear her come. So let's hang a bell let's hang a bell around her neck. So they all decided, so let's go and hang a bell around her neck so that we hear the bell ring when she walks, so that we can run away when she comes close to us. So they came up with a brilliant idea saying that let's go and hang a bell in cat's neck so that we can hear the sound of the bell and we can run away whenever the cat comes close to us. Everybody clapped their hands. You are right. We can run away when we hear the bell. So everyone was so amazed. Everyone was so happy, thinking that yes, we have finally got the solution how to be safe from the cat. You are right. Everybody clapped for the little mouse also. Okay, they were like very happy. But just then an old mouse got up and said, you are right, but who will put the bell around the cat's neck? So the big question was that you are right, you came up with a very brilliant solution, thinking that we will put a bell around a cat neck, but who will put the bell around the cat neck? That was the biggest question. Who will go and hang the bell in the cat's neck? All the mice looked at one another. They were like, if they go, they knew that if they go close to the cat, this cat is definitely going to eat every one of them. So they all looked around each other, but no one had an answer. But nobody had any answer because nobody had that much of like guts to go and tie a bell around the cat's neck. But after getting such a brilliant solution also, they were not able to like go and hang the bell in the cat's neck, because they knew that if they even try to go near to the cat, this cat will catch them and eat them up. So in the end, what happened? They all looked at each other and they were like, what should we do now? We got the solution, but we cannot just go and hang. Who is going to hang the bell around the cat's neck? But no one had an answer. They all were like blank. They all were like, what should we do next then? Okay, so that's all. This story was very short and sweet. This story is about this cat and mice. Okay, so I hope you all understood the chapter. There is only one word meaning, chasing. As in the first page only, there was this, who was chasing? The cat were chasing the mice. The cat was chasing the mice. Okay, so chasing means to be after someone. Chasing means to be after someone. Okay, I hope now you understood why the chapter's name was Who Will Bell the Cat? Because they all were trying to go and hang a bell around the cat neck so that they can hear it. So that they can hear the bell ring and they can run away. So that is why the chapter name is Who Will Bell the Cat? Okay, I hope you all got the lesson now. You all understood the lesson. So let's now quickly discuss the exercises also. The mice lived in a, one option is hole and the B option is house. Where did the mice lived? The mice lived in the house. Okay. The mice were chased by cat or monkey. What was the mice chased by? It was chased by cat. The mice decided to hang a bell on cat's neck or tail? Neck. So neck is the right answer. So match the words that go through together in the story. Okay. Fat. Who was fat? The cat was fat. Scared. Who was scared? Mice was scared. Softly. Who walked softly? Cat walked softly. So softly means what? Walk. Softly means walk. Then small. What is small? Small bell. They decided to hang a small bell around the cat's neck. Then big. What was big? The house was big. So you got the answers. Number 1, fat is cat, scared is mice, softly is walk, small is bell, and big is house. Okay. So answer the following question. Where did the mice live? Where did the mice live? The mice lived in the first line only. Long, long ago, in a big house lived many mice. So where did the mice live? The mice lived in a big house. Okay. Who chased the mice? Who chased the mice? The fat cat chased the mice. Where did the mice babies go when they saw the cat? Where did the mice baby go? The mice baby ran into the holes. They ran into their holes whenever they saw the big fat cat coming towards them. Then what was the idea that little mouse had? The little mouse had an idea of hanging a small bell around the cat's neck so that they can hear the bell sound and they can run away whenever the cat is coming. So number 5, how do you think the mice could save themselves? In this you will think of your own answers and you can write your own answers also. How do you think, in your opinion, how do you think that the mice could save themselves from the cat? How do you think? Everybody will think of your own answers. Okay, in this question number 5 is the question in which you have to write your own answers. How, in your opinion, you think that the mice could save themselves from the cat? So that's all for today, my dear students. I hope you got the chapter. I hope it was interesting. No, it was good. It was very fun to read this chapter. So as every time I say, what you'll do now, you all will read the chapter thoroughly. You all will read the chapter thoroughly. Wherever you find difficulty, you will ask for help, but try reading it yourself. Reading will improve your vocabulary. Every time, in every video, after every video, I say that. In class also I say that. Reading is very much important. Okay, you all will read the chapter. You all will go through the chapter and you will get all your answers in your WhatsApp group. You all will write it down neatly in your notebook. See you all in the next class with the new chapter. Till then, stay home, be safe, be a good student, obey your parents, follow your online classes regularly. Let's meet in the next video. Have a good day, my dear students.